YouTube, what's up? It's 82 Box Chevy boy, back with another video. And before I start this video right here, when you get a chance, man, subscribe to the channel. I'm coming back to back with more videos. I got more going on, getting everything set up, getting everything right for the Chevy. So this video right here is gonna be like a quick video. It's basically going over as far as the speakers that I have inside the car and be playing with. So we're gonna start right here with these tweeters. These some little cheap tweeters. So these right here, just if you just looking for something just to add into your car, probably like let's say you just want a little extra tweeters in there. You know what I'm saying? Man, you can grab these right here. These little 500 watts 400 mm's on them. Nothing major, just two of them. Some real cheap tweeters to have. But this right here, what I meant to show you. On the other hand, these right here, a lot of y'all know about these them audio pipes. 350 watts. The bullets. I'll show you what they look like. So of course, they come with instructions and everything, let you know about it. Let y'all see all that right there. Everything, but these what these look like though. So hold on, let me take it out there. So check these out. You know, they come with little metal screws. These right here what they look like though. Straight show it to you. These right here, 3 inches right here. I'm gonna have these mounted inside my my console. I got a custom console coming. Add them in there. Shout out to JT's Customs. My boy hooked me up with my custom console that I got. So you get a chance here on Facebook. Shout out to him. He down there in Mississippi. Bro, cut you a good deal on him. He do it all. So he got me a console, which I'm gonna show in the next video. Pretty much going over. And these right here I got as far as the 6.5s, and I got these 3-inch tweeters that's gonna be on the side of them. These fit perfect in them. When I say perfect, these fit perfect. You can't go wrong with these at all. So I got the tweeters right there. These right here, these 240 watts. These are some 4x6s right here. These some I got off Walmart. These right here pretty much is gonna be used for the front deck. There's some little speakers on them. Which I can which side I open these up on. So you know, of course, they come with your wires, speaker wires, which I'm probably gonna end up doing away with these and getting these all copper speaker wires for them. This is what they look like though. Nice little speakers. Like I said, I got these right here off Walmart. Just to show you. And these right here, the 4x6s for the Caprice. Your front deck speakers. They come in there, got the mount screws as well with them to put in there. So it's gonna come out. And these right here, this is the other part that's gonna go inside my consoles that I was talking about as far as some Kenwoods that's on there. So these are giving out 75 watts RMS power. Peak power is 320. But make sure you pay attention to these. These are 75 watts. These are the 3-way speakers on them. So let me open this up for you and show you what these are looking like. these right here. They look like they got their own speaker wires as well. It's gonna come with it. These look like these Kenwood. So let me show you what these look like right here. If you can, if you want to get the model number right there, KFC 169.5 PS. If you trying to get the same kind I got, that's the model number. Search it up on Google. And that's what these look like. So you can see right there, see what these look like. So of course, as you know about speakers, man, they always come with a diagram on them, and pretty much basically, you know, show them how you want to install them and everything. Go over all the connections over everything right here. But a lot of people don't know it. A lot of people probably ask, like, what is three-way speakers? What's the difference? If you look on the box right here, it pretty much sit right there and they go over it for you. We'll just let you know that three-way speakers, they come with the woofer, the tweeter, and the super tweeter on the speaker. So you got a lot of Kenwoods out there that have more of a two-way, but make sure when you look them up, it'll let you know if it's a two-way or a four-way or a three-way, which mine's the ones I caught was a three-way. I think the highest they go right now is a three-way. Correct me if I'm wrong. But that's pretty much it right there, man. This is just a little video I just want to go over, show you the inside of the speakers I'm working with. I still got to go get my 6x9s, which I ain't got yet, which I think I'm going to go with Kenwood and do a review on those. Then I also got, as far as the trunk, I think I'm going to play with some 412s. So I think I'm going to hit them with the Pioneers for that. So I'm going to shoot you a video once I get it updated, once I get those in. Be checking out and looking out for the video I'm going to get ready to shoot to go over as far as the console. Then I'm letting y'all be able to check out. And that's pretty much it. So, as I said, man, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. More videos coming up. And I'm out.